Get those ends, roll it. Okay, now we got the second part. Now listen, see this part right here? You're gonna have to make sure that that's where you start the curl. Right there. But I'm gonna be dragging it forward. You just need it to have a little bend. Just a little, just keep tapping the handle. Okay, there we go. You just need a little, and then you get the back. Again, you want that little piece that's up top, so it blends right there. Get it? Just a little tap, 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 tap to just unfold it. You can make it come around if you want to. Just tap, tap, tap. And this is like at a 400, so it doesn't need a long time. And I just love to have that little bit of a beach wave. And of course I have to do my top because you know I love the top. I like fullness on the top, and people will say like, that's the 80s. I love the 80s, but I have it modernized, right? Get those ends, curl like that, and it will give you nice, just let it cool off. The next one, do like 3 pieces right here. Get those ends, roll it. And then I also just want to get this one spot right here. And I'm gonna actually do this down, but back. At like forward and back, but I want those ends. Make sure I got that end. And then I'm gonna come this way. Just keep nice and slowly softening it, and then you can push that back. I love this curling iron. It's like a big one, but it's so good. All right, and then I'll show you the other side.